The formulation of a clinically effective probiotic begins with sourcing high-quality strains. In the earliest stages of product development, three fundamental capabilities are determined: storage stability, survival in the digestive tract, and the ability to adhere to cells of the intestinal lining. In the first steps of an evidence-based selection process, Pure Encapsulations carefully evaluates in vitro performance in these three areas. To qualify as a probiotic source, the manufacturer must provide data proving that the strain remains stable through the date of expiration. Data must also show that the strain can withstand stomach acid, bile, and digestive enzymes without the need for excipients. Even if the strain survives these conditions, data on its ability to adhere to the types of cells that line the intestine where most probiotics execute their health benefits must be provided. Selection of stable, naturally resilient, functional strains are the most basic aspects of Pure Encapsulations' commitment to excellence in probiotic formulation, manufacturing, and comprehensive quality assurance.